How to add drum kits to FL Studio 21. So hey everyone, first of all you have to organize your drum samples. Like the first thing you'll want to do is consolidate your samples into a single parent folder inside the main folder. You can further organize the samples by piece, making a folder to 808s, kicks, snares, etc. How you decide to organize your drum kits is entirely up to you, but it's definitely helpful to have everything in one master folder. It also means you have less to manually add to the FL Studio directory. By default, FL Studio includes whichever subfolders you have, so the parent folder method is easiest. And then you have to launch FL Studio and navigate to file settings. As you can see from the options, you have to just click on the file settings in the upper part of FL Studio. Just left from the transfer controls, you'll see the options menu, and after opening the file settings, add your folder to FL Studio. Like with the FL or file settings window open, find the heading that says browser extra search folders. Just below that you'll find a blank state with multiple rows of what appear to be empty file paths. That's exactly what they are, and this is where you can add drum kits to FL Studio amongst any other sample folders you may need to access it. As you can see from here, simply click the little folder icon on any of the empty rows. At this point, your computer will launch its default file browser. With that open, find your drum kit folder and select it and press OK. You should see the empty row in file settings populate with the file path information leading to your drum kit folder. Now you can cross out of the file settings and your drum kits will now be part of the main FL Studio file directory on the left hand side of the DAW. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.